Hi, I'm Tom. I like discovering history while traveling. I invite you on a trip to Greek Macedonia. Pella is an ancient city in Macedonia that served as the kingdom's capital from the late 5th century BCE and was the birthplace of Alexander the Great. Modern Pella and its ancient counterpart are located in northern Greece, approximately 40 kilometers from Thessaloniki. The area open to visitors consists of a museum showcasing artifacts from the ancient city and hectares of excavation sites that you can freely explore on foot. The city's golden age occurred during the reign of its two most renowned rulers, Philip II and his son, Alexander the Great. The city was a significant political and cultural center. Aristotle himself stayed here, providing education to the young Alexander. The Agora was one of the largest marketplaces of ancient cities. It was the center of political life and commerce. Today, with a bit of imagination, one can recreate how it might have once looked. The city had an advanced water supply and sewage system made up of ceramic pipes and channels that delivered water to homes and carried away wastewater. An interesting fact is that around 1,500 years ago, the city was connected to the sea and had its own port. Today, the distance from Pella to the sea is approximately 25 kilometers. Cassander, a friend and one of Alexander the Great's commanders, was also born in Pella. After Alexander's death, Cassander fought for power. He ordered the execution of Alexander's wife and son. Following a civil war, he also had Alexander's mother, Olympias, killed. Cassander was the founder of the city of Thessaloniki, which he named in honor of his wife, Thessalonike, the half-sister of Alexander the Great, and so the story went on. Macedonian rulers, especially Philip II and Alexander the Great, were known for their fascination with exotic animals. In Pella, lions and panthers were likely kept as symbols of power and strength. The villa is one of the most fascinating archaeological discoveries in Pella. It was there that the floor mosaics, now displayed in the museum, were discovered. What might ancient Pella have looked like, based on known facts? Artificial intelligence offers us a possible reconstruction. The building foundations indicate that urban planning regulations were in place. Houses had standardized dimensions and were constructed according to uniform principles. Baths for city residents usually included shared toilets and bathing, relaxation, and cleanliness zones. An interesting fact is that archaeologists have identified a private bathroom in the city, located in a residential villa. This was unheard of back then. A large number of dog and cat skeletons were discovered in Pella, suggesting that residents were happy to keep these animals as companions or house guards. The beginnings of the city's decline coincide with the loss of independence of the Greek world in 168 BC. The Macedonians were defeated at the Battle of Pydna. The consequence of this defeat was the rule of the Romans, which involved the destruction of erasing traces of ancient Greece. In the heart of today's Pella, we will come across a monument to Alexander the Great, the most eminent son of the land of Macedon. The memory of the city and those times is strongly cherished among today's Macedonians. Thank you for watching my video. If this is not a problem for you, click subscribe. This will allow me to reach more viewers.